my gosh, did we just capture it?
Yeah.
Everything changes.
So guys, today's objective is to capture the little one right behind me here. We're gonna capture her doing something that not all babies do actually, right?
I've never heard another baby do this before.
It's something that comes after she sneezes. Oh my gosh, it takes your little breath away. It's just so cute, just hearing it.
It's the cutest little baby noise you'll ever hear.
It really is. I don't even know how to describe it, to be honest with you.
We have to just show it to you guys. So she'll sneeze and then she'll make this noise. It's really hard to explain it. We just have to show you it.
We haven't been lucky so far to get it on film. So this is us trying to capture it on film, obviously. So hopefully you guys get to hear it. Trust me, stay tuned. You will not regret hearing her. It is so cute. It will take your breath away. So hopefully we can capture this little one doing that. In the meanwhile, we're gonna try to capture all of her little noises. We're gonna try to give her some belly time, huh babe?
Yes.
Give her some belly time, because around those times when she has some belly time and when we put her on the swing over there in the back is when she starts making these noises. Yeah. So hopefully we can get a cute little sneeze, and then right after it's the most breathtaking little sound that a baby can make, to be honest with you. Hopefully you guys are so lucky to be a part of this, because if we can record this or get this in film, it's gonna make my day. We'll see how long this little cute gesture of her or noise lasts, but we're gonna try to capture on film, so hopefully
wish us luck.
We get it. What's going on, huh?
Hi, beautiful. Look at those eyes. Yeah.
So babe, give us a rundown. What just happened?
Oh, she had a blowout.
What kind of blowout was that?
It was a big... Oh.
Oh, what was that?
Bless you.
Bless you, XYLO.
That's it. She said that's it.
That's it. Party's over.
She had a big poop. Why can't I say the word? Poopy blowout.
Big poopy blowout?
Yeah, big one.
It was running down her back, right?
Oh yeah, all over her back. Oh, little mama, it was really yucky and stinky. Huh? Yeah. Yeah.
Look at guys. She's looking at the camera. Straight at the camera.
Oh, here, little mama.
XYLO, what's mama doing to you?
She just burped.
What's mama doing to you?
Oh, you usually like it. I'm sorry. Oh.
I still do, mommy.
And that's why we call her our little eagle. Wow.
She's like, Mom, stop embarrassing me. Stop embarrassing me in front of the camera. I don't enjoy this.
Say hi, guys. Hi, LAX Family. Hi. Oh, look, she was waving.
She's totally waving.
Hi, LAX Family.
Hi, princess. Are you ready for belly time?
She said, yes, let's do it before I start crying. Let's get your arms under you. Oh, I know.
Let's get some belly time.
She's not the biggest fan of belly time, but...
Belly time, princess. Look at that. So guys, sometimes she lifts her legs entirely with her head. It looks like she's breakdancing. She uses her entire belly to lift herself up.
Oh, Ava has something to say
and
to
is
you.
Extremely cute.
Yeah, what do you have to say, Mama? Are you gonna tell LAX Family too?
Hi, princess. Hi.
Yeah.
What's daddy doing? Huh? Oh my.
What? Tell them, Mama.
Come on, I want to see some breakdancing.
She said no, Dad.
So she lifts both of her legs, her arms, and her head, and she holds herself with her belly.
She doesn't want. She said no. I'm gonna do this my way.
I'm gonna do my breakdancing my way.
You're gonna do it your way.
You're doing good, XYLO. Good job, princess.
Little fuzzies in her hair.
Hi, princess. What's going on, huh?
She loves fans.
Yes, guys. So right now she's staring intensely at
the ceiling fan.
So far, no luck. We've only captured sneezes, but not what comes afterwards.
Hi, Mamacita. Oh yeah. She's tired. She's like, I just ate, y'all. Are you telling everyone how you feel?
Last night, guys, was amazing. She only woke up once.
She woke up at 3:30. She's like, hey, attention.
Are you gonna sneeze and then do your little thing? Oh my gosh! Did we just capture it?
Yeah.
Oh
my gosh, you
guys, did you hear that little sound?
You're such a good mom.
It was so cute, wasn't it? I told you guys wouldn't regret it watching this video. That little sound has made our day ever since she was born. And she can witness at one time in the future that she actually does that. Yeah, her cuteness in action.
I think Ava's getting a little jealous too. Look at her.
She is. So she's been wanting to play this whole time.
She's like, guys.
I feel so bad. Before XYLO was born, she had all the attention.
Yeah, Ava was our baby. You know, we got her.
She's still our baby, but
I mean, we didn't want to have kids at a certain point, and so Ava was our compromise. So she was our baby, and you know, for these last 2 years, you know, it's only been her and us, and we've given her all the attention and love, and now we brought this little human home, and she's like, what is that?
Yeah, where did this baby come from?
So,
but
no.
she's little by little realizing that she's a part of the family. So, but yeah, if you guys stay tuned, you witness what we have been witnessing ever since she was born. Every day she's been doing that, and she's been making our days just extremely happy, you know.
Yeah, tell them, Mama, tell them.
So there's another sound that she makes when she sucks on her pacifier, which is very unique. It's like a comforting sound
it's like
for her.
Maggie from The Simpsons.
Yeah, well, obviously the sucking noise is just very common, but there's this.
Oh, we got it again.
That was a small one.
It was a small one, but still.
Yeah, that was still cute. There is this little sound that she makes when she sucks on her pacifier. It's like a comforting thing. She does it only when she really wants to suck on the pacifier. Like when she's crying and she's tired, she puts that in her mouth, and it's like I don't even know how to describe it, but we'll capture it one of these days on film. We'll try.
I mean, that one's not as hard to capture as
a
sneeze, because I mean, obviously
after
it's
the sneeze,
hard to know when someone's gonna sneeze and capture
That's true.
it. So
that is very true.
She's just so beautiful.
You're beautiful. So any updates? How much does she weigh? How big is she?
So right now she's a little over a month old. She is 9 pounds 6 ounces, which I'm pretty sure at this point she's a little bit more, but that's how much she weighed at her last doctor's appointment. You're used to it.
What is that little sound?
She started to do it.
So close.
I know.
But not quite what we were looking for. Here you go. What You guys hear that, guys? So it's like a little comforting sound. She goes, ow, 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 ow. I don't understand it, but it helps her to calm down. It's a little sucking sound she makes. And then she goes, ow, 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 ow. No, 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 it's okay. You gotta breathe, baby. You got to breathe. Yeah. You gotta have you breathing. Who's getting a bath? Yes. Little Zylo's getting a bath. Hi, Mama. You're such a good girl. Good girl taking a bath.
Oh, she farted.
She just farted in the water. Good girl. More cleanup for Mommy. And for Daddy.
Well, he says mommy, but daddy's the one that cleans it,
I
so.
know, right? You look so cute, Zylo. You look so cute, Mama. Mama's cleaning you up? Is that what she's doing? She's cleaning you up?
Alright.
I'm a little cold, Mommy. Dry me out fast. Dry me out fast. Under my armpit, baby. Thank you.
Let me get the armpit, girl.
Let me see the little hand. Let me see the little hand.
Hi, family. Hola, mi familia. Hola. Hi, everyone. Huh. Oh, I got that on recording. I got that on recording.